Hey guys, so today I'm showing you how to make my brown rice and peas recipe. Today I'm making it with black beans, but you can use red kidney beans if you prefer, or even pigeon peas to make this delicious recipe. Alright, so let's get started. So you want to get your pot that you're going to be cooking the rice in and place it over medium heat. Then add in just a little bit of oil to coat the bottom of the pan. Next, I diced up some onions, some bell peppers. I am using green and red bell peppers, and minced a few cloves of garlic. You could also add pimento peppers here and fresh thyme and scallion, very finely diced up. Okay, and you're gonna add all of those fresh herbs into the pot and let that saute and cook for about 3 minutes until it softens and starts to caramelize just a little bit. So next I'm adding in my beans. I'm using black beans like I said. So if you decide to use black beans like I did, you want to wash out the sauce that the black beans usually come in. Okay, so just place it in a strainer and rinse out that liquid that it comes in, and then you're gonna pour the black beans into the pot with the peppers and onion. Mix it really well, and next we're gonna add in our rice. So get your brown rice and add it in with the beans. So when it comes to having tasty brown rice, you want to use a good quality brown rice. Okay, don't buy any cheap quality type of brown rice, because then it won't taste good. So try to go somewhere really good. Like usually I buy my brown rice from like Trader Joe's or at my local supermarket too. I just buy a good brand of brown rice, and you wanna just make sure it's a really good rice and mix it in with the beans, and then I let that cook for about 1 to 2 minutes. And next I'm gonna add in my liquid. So now I'm adding in the liquid, which is coconut milk and then water. So you want to add in the coconut milk and then use water to make up for the amount of liquid you need to cook with the rice. So you guys, when I'm cooking rice, a good ratio to start off cooking your rice with is from 1 part of rice, you do 2 parts liquid. So whatever you use to measure the rice, you're going to do 2 parts of that in liquid, and the coconut milk comes as part of the liquid. Okay, so now once you get that done pack, you could adjust the liquid as you like to get the perfect consistency of rice that you prefer. Okay, so add in your liquid and then season up your rice a little bit. To season my rice, I like using this Noah's chicken bouillon powder most times, but today I'm not using it because I was trying to keep my rice more on the vegan side. So yeah, but usually I add this into my rice, and I promise you it's gonna make the rice taste so good. So yeah, add in your seasonings. I also like to add in salt, black pepper, onion and garlic powder. Mix it really well. Place your rice over medium high heat, let it come to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I turn the heat down to the lowest setting. I give the rice a stir one more time, cover it back tightly, and let the rice take its time and cook until all of the liquid is absorbed and your rice is perfectly cooked. It's gonna steam and take its time and cook. And that is it, you guys. So here is the finished product. I forgot to record the rice after it was done cooking in the pot, but here it is after I served it, and it was absolutely delicious. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this recipe and tutorial. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.